Alrighty, guys, I'm just making it to work. I'm running a little late, but y'all want to hear something crazy, something funny? Y'all remember the truck I worked on with the no start that had the roaches in the skin module ignition switch? We had to wait 2 weeks to get. Well, that customer called back. They called me this morning. JT, where you at? That truck is back. I said, what's wrong? What's wrong? Oh, he said his turn signal, none of his other turn signals and everything work. Mind you, I just put the switch on that thing and got it out because I didn't want to fool. Yeah, here it is right here. I don't want to put his business out there, but they got the truck sitting here in my stall waiting on me. Yeah, this is going to be interesting to know, did the roaches eat up the turn signal? I don't know. I didn't check any of that stuff, guys, because like I said, yeah, same old freaking. Yeah, so let's figure out what's wrong with this turn signal. I don't know if them roaches still here or not. Alrighty, guys. Y'all saw that hashtag shorts. Remember this truck? Yes, we put the ignition switch on it. Actually, the switch and the key. So everything I did technically works. So, yeah, it starts. Remember, it was towed in and wouldn't start. You know what's funny, guys? Look at this. Like, that cup wasn't there when it left. So it just left yesterday. All right, they came and picked it up yesterday. But that's a new cup. So think about it. So somebody went to QT and grabbed a cup of coffee and just look at all this residual, roach residual. In fact, look at this. Like, there's dead roaches on top of the dash. It's as if whoever drive this, again, I don't want to put nobody on blast, but whoever driving this don't give a damn. Literally. I mean, look at this. Like, how could you feel comfortable sitting in your cup of coffee right there? Just imagine. I ain't gonna even open that because based on all of this, it could be. I'm gonna go put some gloves on. Something can crawl in there and go in there, and then you. Oh. All right, stay focused, JT. Stay focused. Okay, the task at hand. Turn signal. No, airbag light on. I think yeah. Now, mind you guys, I told you I'm not test driving this car. So when I got done with this, it came in for no start. Damn it, it left starting. That means mission accomplished, right? In my opinion, right? So yeah, it left here starting. He called and brought it back the very next day saying his turn signal don't work. As if that has something to do with it. As if it's a recheck. Comeback. Now, I take rechecks and comebacks very, very serious, guys. Remember, my image is on the line. Forget the company, I'm more concerned with my own personal image. I don't want nobody walking around, JT, you gotta come back, you don't know what the hell you're doing. Yeah, that bothers me. So, I take that serious. In fact, when he called me, I was at home, and I was like, all right, take it back there. I look at it, because I don't want, I don't like none of my stuff to blow up. But at any rate, let's figure out what's going on. First thing first, guys, we gotta duplicate it. Set the turn signal. See, that light is blinking fast. Y'all know when turn signal, they both blinking fast. When turn signal blinking fast, the circuit is complete, guys. So it might be just a simple bulb issue. So guys, I'm talking to newbies now. I'm sure you veterans know this. So bear with me, all right? When I start discussing basic things, it's okay. You don't have to flag or dog the video out because it's too basic for you. Either push the stop button and move on to something else or continue to watch and enjoy. Yeah, how about that? So let's do the left side first. Light blinking. When that happens, guys, you go to the exterior of the vehicle and see if the light's blinking. Right now I have it on left side. Let's go take a look and see if the left side front is blinking. And it is. Now let's go take a look at the rear and see if it's blinking. And it's not. So there's a chance the turn signal bulb in here is blown. Same with the other side. Let's go verify the other side. All right, let's go verify if the rear and the front is blinking. Ladies and gentlemen, the rear is not blinking. However, is the front blinking? Yes, so we very well could have real bulbs blown out. Did the roaches get back here? I don't know. So I'm going to remove this lens. We'll concentrate on this side. I'm gonna remove this lens and put in a new bulb. And if it starts blinking, it's simple. The bulbs are blown out. It's not a comeback or a recheck. Ooh, thank you. It could be something simple, guys. All right, hold tight. Let's take this lens off. Alrighty, guys, here we go. As you can see, the old one, it looked burnt, guys. That black spot on the bulbs means that the filament is blown. And I have a known good one here. So I'm gonna simply plug this in and see if I get proper turn signal back, guys. Okay, if I do, this is just a matter of bulbs. This is a matter of the bulb being blown. Nothing wrong with the inside roaches. I still can't cancel that out because it's not my call to cancel out. So let's see what we got now. And still going fast. It should slow down once. Uh-oh. It's still going fast. Is it even lighting up? Uh-oh. We may still have a problem, guys. Oh man, I thought it was as simple as a bulb. Oh, my turn signal's still going fast. Oh my goodness. Alright, let me whip out the test light and see what's going on, guys. Time to take the diagnosis a little further, alright? Because this light is not going to light if there's no power going to it. So you can throw brand new bulbs at it all you want to. There's no power supply on this wire terminal. They know it's not going to work. So y'all hold tight. Let's get with diagnosing it. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys. I have my test light out here supplied to a ground. Now what you want to do, guys, I got the bulb back out. This is the new bulb that I stuck in. It wouldn't blow. I want to see if I'm even getting 12 volts to one of these terminals, and look at that, guys, I am. Okay, now y'all know what it takes to get any bulb to light. You need a 12 volt source and a ground. So let's assume ground is on the other side. Technically this light should be lighting. All right, so maybe it's just a bad connection. Let's see if I put, oh, there you go. So any particular way. All right, so we're gonna need one of these, guys. It's coming in and out. All right, the circuit or this terminal, what do they call this? Turn signal connector, maybe. All right, now let's see how fast my turn signal flashing now. See, it's at normal speed. Yes, so this has nothing to do with what I did. It's not a recheck. All right, I don't know where those roaches went. They're likely in the dash somewhere. One of them has died up there, and there's a whole bunch of, and this guy's got his fresh brand new cup of coffee right here. Oh my goodness. So guys, we got a connection issue, but keep in mind this bulb appears blown. So what I'm gonna do to try to keep the cost down minimum, I'm gonna clean this terminal out and try to get this to work. All right, because I don't want him, again, I try to keep this as low key as possible, especially if it's considered a comeback. I don't want my image tarnished at all. Oh, one thing I want y'all to want to mention, guys. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? That water came. Y'all see that? Y'all see the water in this lens? Now that's where the reverse light lives. Okay, but moisture can kill a bulb, guys. So I'm gonna have to address that as well. So y'all hold tight. Alrighty, guys. There is a sense of relief, guys. Y'all see that? Turn signal on left. It's blinking at normal operating speed. Turn signal on right. It's blinking at normal operating speed. So turns out, guys, that the bulbs was blown, which they was. They both was black. I think I got the the right side on now. So I'm done, guys. I don't want to make this bigger than I have to be, guys. That's why I say, guys, if you're in a position to minimize something that could potentially turn major or blow up in your face, try to minimize it under the table. Okay, yeah, this could have easily gone south. I could have looked bad, blah blah. just get a man some bulbs and just. I think they're gonna make him pay for the bulbs because I just told my boss what was going on. Some things you can't sweep under the rug, but if it's something you can sweep under the rug and keep low key, because he literally thought because I replaced this that I also screwed his turn signal up. Now mind you, the car was towed in, so we don't know if the turn signal was ever even working. It was towed in and dead, so he don't know nothing. Or the service advisor didn't know nothing. Well guys, I'm done. I'm not pulling this out. Again, I avoided from even sitting in this car. All I did was reach over there and turn it on back. When I got here this morning, this truck was already in my stall. So whoever put it here will eventually take it out and put this back. I don't want to be blamed for nothing. His Sprint is tracking him or whatever that is. I don't know. I don't care. His coffee. Look at this. Oh my goodness, are you not concerned that a roach can crawl up there and jump in there and get some of that coffee and just drown, and you drink that? Oh my God. Hold on, I'm gonna refresh y'all memory of what I found, right? The truck came in, no start. I did some diagnosis, I wasn't getting no signal from the key. So I pulled the panel down. Take a look at this. I'm gonna talk through this. I pulled the panel down. Y'all see this? This is what I saw. This is the original complaint. So it's likely that the roaches got trapped inside of the ignition switch and ruined it. So I end up having to replace it. And now, here we are now. It's starting and running. But like I say, his turn signal not working, so he came back. I don't get it, guys. I'm done. I'm not pulling this out. I'll let somebody else come get it. Guys, that's all I have. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see y'all in the next video.